Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make Qeema. So this recipe is so tasty and full of flavor. Let's start. So you will need half tablespoon of oil, and add half tablespoon of zira, 2 medium sized onions. Make them golden and brown. 2 to 3 cloves, now you can see the onions color are changed. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, add 1 kg of Qeema or minced meat. Mix well. Now add red chili powder 1 tablespoon, red chili flakes 1 tablespoon and haldi half tablespoon. Now add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 2 tomato medium sized. Mix well. Now you can see that the onions and the tomatoes are soft. Now add potato medium sized 4. One bunch of methi and palak. Add it in. If you're liking this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now mix well. And add salt according to your taste. Now cover for 5 minutes. After covering, you can see how it absorbs the water. Now for garnishing, add ginger and coriander. The ginger should be sliced. Now our yummy recipe is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.